Noong March, recently, merong ni-raid ang CIDG, BID, PNP doon sa Bamban, Tarlac. At ito yung tinatawag nilang Zun Yuan Compound. And nakarescue sila doon ng 499 foreign workers. At nung mag-investigate ang mga agencies na ito, lumabas ang pangalan ni Mayor Alice Go na nagsasabi na medyo she's being implicated dito sa Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations or yung POGO. Zuan Yuan, yung electric meter actually ng POGO na yan was registered under Go's name. Meron ding kotse na nakuha sa compound, nakapangalan din sa kanyang pangalan. And si Mayor Alice Go, nung siniyasat siya, hindi siya makapagpakita ng proof ng citizenship. Kasi yung mga pinakita niyang documents, ang kanyang father, who is called Alfredo, is a Chinese citizen. Ang kanyang mother, Chinese name din yung kanyang pinapakita. So it gives rise to a question on her Filipino citizenship kasi alam natin na upang maging mayor kailangan ikaw ay maging isang Filipino citizen. She claims that yung affidavit of late registration niya ginawa lang nung 17 years old siya. And this brings about questions on her eligibility as a candidate or as an incumbent mayor. Our Office of the Solicitor General now is looking into it kung pwede pa nilang mag-file ng co-warranto proceeding against her. Kasi wala namang pre-election contest, wala naman post-election contest, walang nagprotesta sa kanyang pagpanalo. So, ang tinitignan ng OSG ngayon yung kanyang qualification, by what right is she holding the office of the mayor. However, tignan natin, kailan ka ba dapat mag-affidavit of late registration? Section 2 of Presidential Decree 6512, sinasabing lahat ng births, lahat ng panganganak dito sa Pilipinas are required to be reported or registered with the local civil registry within 30 days from the time of birth. So obviously dito 17 years old na siya nung na-register siya, no? And late registration, alam naman natin yan, acceptable yan lalo na sa probinsya because dun sa probinsya pag walang ospital or walang maternity clinic, ang nagpapanganak ay yung physician, nurse, o kaya hilot na tinatawag natin, midwife. At itong mga ito, kahit pinanganak sa bahay yung bata, merong obligasyon na within a 30-day time frame, kailangan i-report sa local civil registrar at ito yung tinatawag delayed or late registration. Ikaw na hindi naka-register, wala kang PSA or LCR records kung hindi ma-register within the 30-day period. Paano kung napanganak ka abroad? Dahil parents mo nandoon, hindi yun excuse na hindi mo i-report. No? Pag ikaw ay pinanganak abroad, kahit na pinanganak ka rin sa bahay sa abroad, you have 100 days from the date of birth to report to the local civil registrar or the Philippine Embassy doon sa lugar na tinitirahan nyo. So, there are 2 points in time dito. 30-day period pag dito ka sa Pilipinas pinanganak, 100-day period pag abroad ka pinanganak, no? At of course, yung mga requirements na kailangan kailangan ng affidavit ng dalawang tao. No? It may be family or friends who knew of your fact of birth. At ito ay tinatawag na affidavit of two disinterested persons. Of course, you will fill up a form, makikita yung mga pangalan ng ama mo, ng ina mo, and all other questions to be filled up dun sa form ng binibigay ng local civil registrar. Ano ang pwede mong proof na napanganak ka dito sa Pilipinas? Yung immunization card, yung baptismal certificate, yung school record, voter's affidavit, income tax return, insurance policy, medical records, SSS, GSIS, other documents like certification ni Kapitan, and of course, other documents that will prove na dito ka pinanganak sa Pilipinas. You take note that in the case of Mayor Alice Go, she could not produce any other document na mag-prove na siya ay Filipino or mag-prove na pinanganak siya dito sa Pilipinas. You also take note that kung totoo na ang mother niya ay Pilipina, then dapat may record na at the age of 18, nag-elect siya ng Philippine citizenship. Katakataka rin yung sinasabi niya na homeschool siya, hindi niya maalala yung teacher niya, hindi niya maalala yung name ng teacher niya, hanggang high school lang siya. So yung burden of proof na kay Mayor Go. Yung bang investigasyon ngayon, will it affect yung kanyang birth certificate? Will it affect yung kanyang mayoralty seat? So far, kasi nga mga government documents yan, valid until annulled yung mga documents na yan. Yung kanyang birth certificate, kailangan i-annul ng ating korte para maging null and void. Yung kanyang seat as mayor, pwedeng filean ng co-warranto, pero hanggat hindi nag-decide ang Korte Suprema, then siya pa rin ang mayor ng Bamban. Baka sabihin nyo, paano lumusot sa COMELEC yan kung Chinese man yan o incomplete yung kanyang papeles? Kasi ang COMELEC, wala hong karapatan na hindi tanggapin ang certificate of candidacy ng isang tao. Ang tawag dyan ay ministerial duty ng COMELEC ang tanggapin yung COC niya. If ever there is any complaint, then that is the time COMELEC will move into action. All things equal, whether she is Filipino, whether she is Chinese, she is still entitled to due process of law as well as equal protection of the laws.